Good morning students. Today we are going to start new unit 4, applications of definite integral. In the previous chapter unit, that is definite integral, in this chapter applications of definite integral. In this unit we have total 2 chapters. First one is the quadrature, that is areas. Second one is the volumes. First chapter quadrature. Today's class we are going to discuss quadrature, that is areas. What is the definition of quadrature? Quadrature means the process of finding the area bounded by the given curve is called a quadrature. Quadrature means the process of finding the area bounded by a given curve is called a quadrature. Process of finding the area bounded by a given curve is called a quadrature. We have formulas. Let us see the formula. First formula, the area enclosed by the curve y equal to f of x axis and x equal to a, x equal to b is given by total four quantities. The curve y equal to f of x axis and x equal to a, x equal to b is given by a equal to integration a to b f of x dx. F of x means what? Y. So integration a to b y dx. Integration a to b y dx. Integration a to b f of x dx or integration a to b y dx. In these four quantities, y equal to f of x, x axis, x equal to a line, x equal to b line is given by area integration a to b f of x dx or integration a to b y into dx. It's a diagram. Suppose this is curve y equal to f of x curve and x axis, x equal to a line, x equal to b line. This area covered by these four quantities, this area formula is integration a to b f of x dx. Integration a to b f of x dx or integration a to b y into dx. In this y-axis, x-axis is involved. X-axis is border of a area. The area ki border ga emundi, x-axis undi, curve undi, x equal to a, x equal to b. Then we have to use this formula integration a to b f of x dx or integration a to b y into dx. Next, second formula, the area enclosed by the curve x equal to g of y, y-axis, y equal to c, y equal to d. Means here instead of x-axis here y-axis and the curve x equal to g of y, y-axis and the lines y equal to c, y equal to d is given by a equal to integration c to d x into dy or integration c to dy g of y into dy. G of y into dy. That is, if you observe x equal to g of y, x equal to g of y means this curve x equal to g of y and y-axis means that is and y equal to c, y equal to d. This area bounded by this area formula is integration c to d x into dy or integration c to d g of y dy. This formula. Here the boundary is with y-axis. Next, third formula, area between two curves. Up to now only area of one curve and x-axis or y-axis. Now the area between two curves. The area between the two curves, y1 equal to f of x, y2 equal to g of x, x equal to a, x equal to b is given by integration a to b f of x minus g of x dx. Integration a to b f of x minus g of x dx, that equal to integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx. F of x means y1, g of x means y2, that is y1 minus y2 d of x. Integration a to b y1 minus y2 d of x. It is the formula and its graphs look like in this. It is the area between two curves. This is the first curve y1 equal to f of x This is second curve, y2 equal to g of x equal to a, x equal to b. Area between two curves is formula integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx, or integration a to b f of x minus g of x dx. It is the area for the formula. Okay, next formula, the area bounded by the curves x1 equal to f of y, x2 equal to g of y, and the lines y equal to c, y equal to d is given by integration c to d f of y minus g of y dy, or integration c to d x1 minus x2 dy. Okay, integration c to d f of y minus g of y dy equal to integration c to d x1 minus x2 dy. This is the four formulas. Okay, first one is area boundary with x axis, next one is area boundary with y axis, next one area between the curves x equal to a, x equal to b, area between the curves y equal to c, y equal to d. Next, it is the diagram, means x1 equal to f of y, x2 equal to g of y, and y equal to d, y equal to c. The area between two curves, area between the two curves integration c to d, this area equal to formula integration c to d f of y minus g of y dy, that is integration c to d x1 minus x2 dy. Next, note. What is the note? If the curve y equal to f of x crosses the x axis a number of times, if curve f of x crosses the x axis number of times, then area between the curves y equal to f of x axis, and x equal to a, x equal to b is given by, suppose this is the curve y equal to f of x, it is crossing the x axis, it is 1, 2, here 3, here starting 4, total 4 points. So then the area between curve and x axis and x equal to a, x equal to b. How can we find out? We have to find out these three segments here, area A1, area A2, area A3, and intersection points. We have to identify the intersection points. This is the C and this is the D. So first one, a total area equal to modulus of A1 plus modulus of A2 plus modulus of A3. Why this modulus means, if you the diagram, the area under the x-axis, below the x-axis means it will come negative. That's why we are taking positive to make it positive modulus. Okay, modulus of A1 plus modulus of A2 plus modulus of A3. Modulus of A1, modulus of A1 means A to C, integration A to C. Modulus of A2 means integration C to D. Modulus of the A3 means integration D to B. Okay, that is A equal to mod A1 plus mod A2 plus mod A3, where A1 equal to integration A to C f of x dx, A2 equal to integration C to D f of x dx, A3 equal to integration D to B f of x dx. Separate individual calculate chesi, we have to add their moduluses, because below the x axis the area will becomes negative, it will come negatives. To make it positive we have to take modulus. If it is a right hand side, left hand side of y axis, then also area is negative. Okay, next we will take problems. Find the area bounded by the parabola y equal to x square, x axis, between the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Okay, observe this problem. Given in this, the parabola is given y equal to x square, y equal to x square is given, and x axis, here very important the problem, it is x axis, given boundary with x axis between the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Okay, the given y equal to x square is the f of x, and x axis is given, and lines x equal to 2, x equal to 3, and here the given question axis, x axis is there. So formula is, first formula boundary with the x axis, that is y equal to integration a to b f of x dx, here y equal to x square is the f of x. If you look at the diagram, y equal to x square is parabola like this, and x equal to 2 line, x equal to 3 line, and x axis. This is the area. We need to find this area of the region. Okay. And here boundary with the x axis, therefore formula is integration a to b y into dx, or integration a to b f of x dx. And what is the f of x here? F of x means x square, and a to b means a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Okay, substitute and integrate. So integration 2 to 3 x square dx, x square integration x cube by 3, 2 to 3, 3 is outside, 1 by 3 into x cube, 2 to 3, upper limit minus lower limit. Next, first upper limit 1 by 3, 3 cube minus 2 cube. 3 cube means 27, 2 cube means 8, 27 minus 8, that is 19, 19 by 3, units are square units. Area means it is a square units. Okay, it is answer. So in this, only we have to identify what is the f of x. What is the f of x? And here given x axis, and it is a value and it is a b value, substitute in the formula. Diagram is not compulsory. If you know diagram, draw the diagram, otherwise no need to write. Draw the diagram. Okay. Next problem. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x square plus x, x axis, and the lines x equal to 0, x equal to 6, y equal to x square plus x, x axis, and the lines x equal to 0, x equal to 6. Okay. Here also boundary with x axis, therefore formula is integration a to b f of x dx. Integration a to b f of x dx. Therefore given y equal to x square plus x is f of x, and x equal to 0 is a, and x equal to 6 is the b. A to b f of x dx, x axis is given. So substitute in the formula, integration 0 to 6, integration 0 to 6, x square plus x into dx, and x square integration x cube by 3, x integration x square by 2, 0 to 6. So substitute upper limit 6 cube by 3 minus 6 plus 6 square by 2 minus 0 cube by 3 plus 0 square by 2. This is total 0. 6 cube means 216 by 3, 6 square means 36 by 2, this is 72, this is 18. 72 plus 18, that is 90 square units. Okay. Here also it is a boundary with the x axis, therefore the formula is area capital A equal to integration a to b f of x dx, or integration a to b y into f of x y into dx. Given x equal to 0, x equal to 6, or a equal to 0, b equal to 6, substitute in the formula, we get the answer. Next, third problem. Find the area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 8x, y square equal to 8x, y axis, and the lines y equal to 2, y equal to 6. Okay, here y square equal to 8x is the curve, and y axis, given y axis, what is the formula? Y axis means, the formula is boundary with y axis means area equal to integration c to d x into dy, or integration c to d f of y dy. Means we have to write the equation in terms of x equal to f of y. Okay, x equal to f of y. So y square equal to, given y square equal to 8x. So what is the x equal to? X equal to what it will come? 8 will come this side, y square by 8, that is f of y. And y axis, and y equal to 2, and y equal to 6. If you draw the diagram, y square equal to 8x is the parabola, and y axis, y equal to 2, y equal to 6. This region area, we have to find this region area. Formula, already we know that formula, integration c to d f of y dy, or integration c to d x into dy. Substitute integration 2 to 6, y square by 8. Okay, 1 by 8 is outside, y square integration is y cube by 3, 2 to 6. Okay, another 3 is outside, means 1 by 8 into 3, 24, then it will come 1 by 8 into 24 y cube 2 to 6. So upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 24 6 cube minus 2 cube. 6 cube means 216, 1 by 24 into 216 minus 8. 216 minus 8 means 208 by 24, that is 26 by 3. Okay, 8 3 is 8 2 is 16, 8 6 is 48. 26 by 3 is the square units. Means in this problem, here the boundary with y-axis. Okay, y-axis means formula is integration c to d x into dy. If it is boundary with x-axis means integration a to b y into dx. Okay, in this class we discussed about the 4 formulas. Okay, 4 formulas and some problems. You have to go through that in the textbook. Related problems, do the related problems. If you have any doubts, please mail me or call to me. Okay, next class we will discuss some more other type of problems. Okay, thank you.